student behavioral health and well-being, but I want to shout out the students this year. We wanted it to be a youth-led walk, and so we contacted Mundy High School, Forest Park High School, McGarrah Elementary, Rex Middle School, and they stepped up. So we're just so excited that our youth are able to take over the walk and have 500 people register. Mental health is important because, especially with our 4 E's, we want students that are here and ready to learn and engage, that are able to regulate themselves, able to know that life is going to happen, but we give them coping skills to learn. This year, we raised $2,500 for our walk. We'll be able to put together teacher wellness spaces so that our teachers can focus on our students.
Mental health is important because if you don't have a good mental health, for me physically or me mentally, you really can't perform at what you want to do, perform at what you're good at. It's important for the baseball program because we want guys to come out here and play good. We want them to be the best they can. We want them to play. We want them to feel good at what they do. Even if we do bad, we want them to feel good because even on the bad times, it's still light because at the end of the day, if you play one bad game, you come back and do good, and it's vice versa. I know for me personally, when stuff get rough, I go to somebody I can talk to them about the situation or talk to them about what's going on, and they give me insight on what I can do to fix it or like go on forward, and that's what I do.
We have our social worker, our counselors, our psychologists, our behavioral health specialists. We have so many people that are available, so you are not alone. If your child is experiencing any type of difficulties, make sure you point to the school counselor, and the school counselor will direct them to the next place.